So you can put some like dry root in it, no, it's a wet root in it, and that, so we should do. Oh, is that a phone?
No.
There's only one
Craig, enjoying yourself?
That's what I wanted to do.
Like a boy at a birthday party. Will this fire ever go out? I reckon you should just leave it for the whole night.
No, because it's that.
That's what we did that. It's they went out by the morning. Because then you burn everything, otherwise it's just stuck in there.
Yeah, some point, right, say this is a light, yeah, all the way up here, it burns there, falls down and catches on fire.
Come on, you got concrete protecting you.
It is, it's not like it catches fire.
Safety first from Michael Tubb.
Stick the thing on the lid, and
Yeah, that's actually what we did, yeah. Michael feeling the effects of smoke. Will he quit? I don't know.
What's that? Pop it, sweet rubber.
Snap, crackle and pop. No! It burns. We'll bring you right into the side of the cauldron now. I've zoomed in all the way. Trying to stick my hand like right up.
I want to try and get dips all round here. So who dropped that, James? You were smart. Well, okay, now, James.
You all know what my grip's like.
I'm falling for you. Oh no.
You gotta think of the viewers first.
This is television first. What do you want me to say to my insurance company? Oh, I dropped in a bonfire. And they
no, actually my friend did.
They come and they see his video.
No, I don't know, just a car ran over it.
The car ran over it, or I get in a bonfire.
Or, I don't know what you send it back, are they? Oh wait, one of those legs is busted. I don't know, you tipped it, I thought it was coming over. I thought it was because it was missing a leg. Ow!
That really big one out. Wow. Go out. I ain't never done that. James, break through this. Put it in half.
Oh wait, there's something to be done here, boys. Oh, smoke!
Dude, that's not water.
It's not cool. Look at that, I just walked through that. Ladies and gentlemen. It's coming this way, let's go! We're up against the fence and Michael crushes me. Come on, hit it! Don't tap it, whack it! Oh my god! Can't breathe! Oh! We'll go for it, but...
Oh, I got picked up.
Put that back, split back in the fire.
Oh, fuck, man.
Yeah, I stand right in there.
That's some heavy shit right there. What's the poking for?
Oh,
It's a beautiful one.
Michael's next door neighbour peeping through the curtains at us.
Dude, I might just snap my arms, but
When are we going to stop this? Once we pour everything we've got left in. Let's toss this in. Goodbye, Mr. Deckshare. Burn, baby, burn. Oh, it's like a rocking chair.
We should have got that. I want to be behind it. I want to go on it.
Wait there, we're coming up to the 5-minute mark.
I want to try and look at this pocket.
Whoa!
First it was there. Yeah.
Oh my god, if it gets in there, none of us are going to see tomorrow.
That's not very good. Oh, not bottom bit's back to the light. Just gotta leave it now, really. The bottom bit's all right. It's just inside.
Hmm.
If I had something, it would be pretty good.